I recently got this VEVOR hose reel from Amazon. My old reel was a Husky brand, but it had got to the point that it quit reeling back in. How do you say this brand name? Is it VEVOR? VEVOR? VEVORI? I don't know. I got the old hose reel and compressor back when we were putting up crown molding in our new house back in 2000. The reel seems very well packed. It feels very impressive, at least for the cost. I'm hoping the long-term durability is as good as it looks. Hey look, a lederhosen.
Lederhosen.
Let's zoom in and get a detailed look at the specs. I'm going to install the hose reel on this beam, and I'll end up setting the compressor on top of the fridge. Drilling some holes in the beam to mount the bracket to. The package came with these anchors. I'm assuming they would work great for concrete or brick, but I'm using bolts and nuts I already had to attach the bracket to the beam. Let's get it all leveled and tightened up. And the obligatory, that ain't going nowhere. Now I'm going to lift the reel and attach it to the bracket. I'll show you the attachment accessories in just a bit. Did you catch that? Let's watch it again. The spacer fell out before I could get the nut installed, and of course it fell behind the fridge. 30 minutes later. So here's how the reel attaches to the bracket. There's a bolt, nut, and spacer. You tighten the nut, but it doesn't tighten onto the bracket itself. The spacer keeps that from happening, so it will rotate from side to side freely. Now let's try this again one more time. It takes a bit to get it all lined up. It is a bit odd trying to install it without letting the spacer fall while you're trying to get the bolt on. Just take it slow and it should work out okay. And here it is once both top and bottom bolts are installed and tightened. It's a really good fit. Now let's connect the leader hosing. It came with thread tape already wrapped around it. I got it kind of tight with the wrench, but the one I had was a little bit too thick. I couldn't tighten it all the way with that wrench. I had to find a thinner wrench and then I could get it tightened completely. Now let's connect the hose to the compressor. Now this is where I'm going to ask for some help. How could I untwist this hose once it is attached to the compressor? You'll see my solution here in a bit. Wait. Wrong way. Oh, he can be taught. There must be a simpler way to do this. Looks really good. Now let's get her plugged in. Just need to connect the quick attach to the hose. This part didn't come with thread tape, so I added some I already had. Now let's test this thing out. It works really good. And being in the center of the garage doors, I could easily go out either door and still have it access anywhere within the shop. I am very, very happy with this purchase. Just hope I can get as many years out of this hose reel as I did the previous one. Thanks for watching.